Hi, today we are going to see demo for Travel Eats PHP web application. So first open the XAMPP control panel, start the Apache and MySQL. Then click on the MySQL admin. Left side you can able to see the backend database on these tables. Next go to the Visual Studio. First explore the train food folder. Then you can see the addressing files and the source code. Next go to the readme text file. Here you can see the login details and the URL link. Copy the URL link and paste to the browser. Now you can see the Travel Eats web application. First go to the login. First go to the user login. So if we have to sign up, go to the new user. Enter your first name, then last name, then enter your email ID. Then enter your password and mobile number. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, then length of 8 digits. Then enter your mobile number. Then click on the sign up. Now register successfully. Now you receive the verification OTP number. Sometimes you cannot receive the OTP number. Go to the backend database. Click on the customer detail. Here you can see the OTP number. And copy to paste. Then copy to paste. Click on the verify. Now register successfully. If you already registered, you can use your email ID and password. Then log in into the user home page. Now login successfully. First you can see the search by restaurant. Here you can select our location, then you can see the restaurant. Click on the restaurant, then you can see the food items. Then you will select to order the foods. Click on the add to cart, then go to the card. Here you can see the order item and the details. Then you will continue shopping. Go to the continue shop, then add the items. Then you will see the total price and click on the place order. Now we can see the your contact detail, and then if you edit your contact detail, click on the edit shipping, then you will change your contact details. Then click on the order now. Now your order is placed. Then go to the my wallet. Here you can see your balance amount and you will add on the amount on this page. Then go to the my account. Here you can see your contact details and account detail. Then go to the my orders. Here you can see your orders and here you will give your feedback on this page. Next we will move for the vendor. So go to the new vendor. We have to sign up. Enter your name, then email ID, then password. Give your mobile number and Aadhaar card number. Then click on the sign up. If you already registered, you can use your email ID and password. Then log in into the enter home page. Now log in successfully. First you can see the all items on this page. Then click on the icon. Go to the my items. Here you can see the all food items, and then you will add the new food item on this page. Then go to the add restaurant. Here you can see the all restaurant details and you will update and delete the restaurant. Then you will add the new restaurant on this page. Then go to the my sales. Here you can see the all sales reports on this page, and then go to the view more. Here you will see the customer orders and that status. Then go to the to address. Here you will see the customer address on this page. Then you will deliver the food. Next we will move for the admin. Enter the email ID and password, then log in into the admin homepage. Now log in into the admin homepage. It's our three modules. First go to the approve business. Here you can see the all vendor details on this page. Then admin will be give the approval on this page. Approval is submitted. Then user details is you can see the all user contact detail on this page. Then review details modules is used to see the food reviews on this page. That's the whole travel eats PHP web application.